so excited. Sorry about the double chin, not a good angle, because I was having the worst day ever at my school. It's the behaviors today. I'm a full-time French teacher at a junior high school, so you can imagine what that's like sometimes. Sometimes I love my job. Sometimes I absolutely cry. As I am teaching and I had to step out of the room just for a breather, I got a ding on my phone and I got $300. So this program works. I am so happy just to have this peace of mind, knowing that I have another outlet. I want to keep being successful. I want to even be more successful. This is a step-by-step proven blueprint that you follow. There are 4 different levels you can come in on. The legacy program, which is the 900, you get 4 income streams. Never thought this was even possible. Maybe these situations don't seem as heavy because I know that I got a ticket out. If I continue to put in the work and be consistent, if I'm coachable, and I am 100% convinced that this is what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to give myself another year to work. And if this continues to grow, I am so happy to say that I am going to take my early retirement. I'm 48 years old. I am ready. Teaching is difficult, as you know, if you're a teacher. It's time to take my time back. I want to be there for my kids. I want to be able to pick them up from school, not miss out on their after-school activities because I'm busy with my own students. Some of them are great, don't get me wrong, but I want my time back. I want freedom. I want to be able to get up and take them out of school for a month and travel, because in my opinion, traveling is the most important, practical thing to spend your money on. There is no greater education than traveling, and so that is my dream, to have the freedom to go traveling with them. That is what I'm looking at. If you want to know more, comment ready. I'd love to share exactly what I am doing. It is foolproof as long as you are coachable and you have 2 hours a day. So go Oilers! Woo! Have a good day.